what can we do now to prevent a future even deadlier pandemic? My name is Michael Norris. I have a Ph.D. in molecular virology. This year, the world is completely shut down and over 1 million people have lost their lives due to an emerging virus that we were not prepared for. The world can't afford for that to happen again. My Spark project would not only lead to life-saving therapies against paramyxoviruses that we know about, like measles and Nipah virus, but it would also ensure that we have at the ready antiviral drugs for any paramyxovirus that is yet to emerge, that have pandemic potential. This type of flexible funding is absolutely crucial for scientists at the stage that I'm at in my career, because it allows us to take big risks to potentially make big discoveries. Thank you for believing in me and for helping us make a world without disease.